Hey, how's it going, guys? So today I think I'm finally gonna decide to paint my trim black again. I gotta do this on both sides because it's basically gone. The things you're gonna need for sure: some masking paper so you don't get paint all over the rest of it or the window, tape to hold it down. I have sandpaper here from 32 grit all the way to 800. You might need 1000 to go in between the coats, but the main paint I'm gonna use here is this Rust-oluem Trim Bumper paint. Should work pretty well. It says it's matte blackish, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so the first step I want to do is take off the side mirror because the trim on this side goes down into the mirror. And I want all that to be black. So first I gotta take off 3 screws here to remove the mirror. You want to make sure you don't fully take it off because the mirror's going to fall off. So I forgot to mention on their little handle here, there's a screw there that stops the whole handle itself from coming out. So make sure to screw that first. That's what it looks like now. Pretty much bare metal. And it's good enough, nice and rough. The paint will stick to it. For the bottom part here, I don't want to fuck the paint, so I gotta do this by hand. Alrighty, so now I got it all masked up and stuff. I'm gonna hit it one last moment here with some rubbing alcohol to clear all the any greasiness I got from my fingers on or anything like that, and then we get to painting. It goes on super glossy, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna dry up pretty matte. We'll see. 10 minutes. So right there is 3 coats. As it's wet, it's pretty glossy, but we'll see what it looks like when it dries. well, I'm gonna do the other side, but it's probably gonna look the same. So, thanks for watching. Definitely preparation's the key here. Make sure that tape is perfectly good. Make sure you sand everything down properly. The end result, I'm not disappointed by the end. It looks pretty fucking clean for what it is. Now I'm definitely gonna have to do all the trim pieces here, and I do want the bumpers to be white, but we'll see. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.